Hello everybody! In this video we'll show how to use or delete the Copilot app, which was introduced on WebOS 25 and is also included when you upgrade your TV to WebOS 25. The Copilot app is not an installed app, but a shortcut to the Copilot website in the web browser app. When you open the Copilot app, it launches the web browser app and takes you to the Copilot website. The first time you open the Copilot app, the Copilot website will ask you to accept or reject cookies for ads and analytics. To change the cookie settings, go to Sign In and select Cookies. The first time you use Copilot, the TV will ask to enable access from the web browser app to the microphone in your Magic Remote. To change this setting, go to the Settings menu, Support, Privacy and Terms, App Permissions, Microphone. To use Copilot, open the app and select Let's Talk. The website will ask for microphone access. Select Yes.
Hello there.
When the microphone icon shows it's unmuted, you can talk to Copilot. You don't need to press the microphone button, just speak into the microphone on the Magic Remote. Here are some examples. Hello, I'm going on a trip to Portugal. Can you make me a list of the highlights I should visit?
Absolutely. Portugal's got plenty of gems to check out. You'll want to wander Lisbon's historic neighbourhoods, maybe hop on the iconic Tram 8. Sintra's a must for its stunning palaces. If you fancy some beach time, head down to the Algarve. And don't skip Porto for the port wine. Plenty of highlights to choose from depending on what you're into.
Show me some movies that take place in Lisbon.
Alright, here are some cool films set in Lisbon to inspire your movie night. For starters, there's A Night Train to Lisbon, 2013, with its reflective, intellectual vibe. Then there's the classic Bond film, On Her Majesty's Secret Service, 1969. And you've also got films like The House of the Spirit.
To change the voice language, go to Sign In and select Voice Language. Here you can choose your language. You can also change Copilot's voice.
I want to hear your big ideas, tiny dilemmas, or any... I can write stories, brainstorm ideas.
What do you think? Could we make a good brainstorming duo?
To delete the Copilot app, go to Edit App List. Select the Copilot app and click the trash can icon. The Copilot app is now deleted. To clear the browser data, open the web browser app, go to the menu here, select Settings and choose Clear All Browser Data. To reinstall the Copilot app, go to the App Store, search for Copilot, and install it. This is how you can use or delete the Copilot app. For more help, visit your local LG website.